everyone, how are you? It's Leah Costa with the Mortgage Center. This is a message for all of you who have had past bankruptcies or a lot of trouble with your debt and you're trying to rebuild it. Or maybe you just don't have any credit at all and you need to start establishing some. I need to give you this piece of advice because there are some people who say that they're going to help you with your credit, credit helpers, credit builders, all these different agencies that are out there who say that they're going to help you out with your credit. Just need you to be forewarned that not all of them are necessarily looking out for your best interest. A lot of them work with companies who just want you to buy their things, which will help you to establish credit, to build credit, which it does so long as you make your payments. But you know, what they're doing is they're actually taking away your buying power. And it was very frustrating to meet a client. I felt very bad for them because they said, you know, we were declined by our bank for a prepaid credit card. So we went to this credit company, credit counseling, and they told us, oh, well, here's this company who will let you buy a car. And by getting the car financing, you will have a line of credit on your report. That's absolutely true. Now they've got a car payment that they make every month, and that is on their credit bureau, and so long as they make those payments on time and properly and in full, their credit score will build. But here's the issue with that. That car payment is over $500 a month, and when you're only making about $40,000 or $50,000 a year, that's eating up a huge amount of your debt ratio. Your debt servicing. The calculation that we use to compare your income to your debts and whatever's left over is what you're able to buy a house with. If what's left over is not very much or not as much as we need to get you into the home that you want, then that payment really isn't helping you when there's so many other ways of establishing credit without incurring over $500 in monthly payments every month. So I wanted to put this out as a bit of a warning, and also in case you're feeling like you're needing to make an act of desperation to get some positive credit on your line, give me a call. There are places that I can tell you to go where you can get prepaid credit cards, which to me is the better solution, because what you're doing is you're not able to get into trouble because you can't go over a limit. And it's a small amount. It's typically, I always advise $500 to start with to reestablish. And just use it every month for your coffee in the morning or for your gas, and just leave it at that and make your payments every month. And that's going to help to build your credit, and then soon that prepaid credit card will be unprepaid, and then it'll be $1,000 and then a couple $1,000, and hopefully by that point you've established positive payment schedules with yourself and money responsibility that you won't get yourself into trouble again. You will have established credit, and you won't have a $500 a month payment, which will eat up your potential mortgage amount for buying a home in the future. So if you have any questions about reestablishing credit, wanting to build it, give me a call, or better yet, just take a look at the credit section on the categories on the page here. And that's going to go through a lot of different ways of reestablishing credit, the do's and don'ts of your credit, how to manage it, make it better, and so forth. And that is going to be far better than making an act of desperation, buying things that you either don't need or that are more expensive than what you should be spending it on. Ill-prioritizing your money, basically. So, Leah Costa with the Mortgage Center. Hopefully this helps you out and prevents you from making any big mistakes that will prevent you from getting into your home of your own. And again, if you have any questions, I'm always happy to help.